friends, one-time benefit received by Kapil Dev from BCCI in recognition for his services is exempt under section 56 subsection 2. So what this case talks about? This is an ITAT ruling case and let's go deep into the case. Welcome to Aarthi's Tax Info. So what is the fact of the case? Assessee Kapil Dev, a well-renowned Indian cricketer, had represented India in several matches internationally. So the assessee, what he did was, he filed his return of income along with the other income. He had declared an income of 1.5 crores which he received in recognition for his services from BCCI also as a taxable income and filed his return. The appeal stemmed from the earlier assessment order for the assessment year 2015-16 wherein Kapil Dev declared this income as a taxable income, but he later challenged the classification that this income should not be taxable and it should be exempted under section 56 subsection 2. So what this case talks about is about the section 56 subsection 2. So the Provision of Income Tax Act states that all the income as a gift or a cash when it is received exceeding 50,000 or without consideration is taxable as income from other sources. But the same provision talks about the exemptions as well. So there are few cases wherein few situations and in few cases the amount received is not taxable under income from other sources. So when an income or even any fund is received from a institution or any trust which is registered under section 12A, 12AA or 12AB, then such amount is not taxable under section 56 subsection 2. So in this case, the benefit is received by Kapil Dev from BCCI and the BCCI is an institute registered under section 12AA and hence this income should be exempted. What ITAT tells? The ITAT ruling is the assessee had voluntarily declared this income received from BCCI as taxable income, but he later realized with the various tribunals' decisions and others' advice that this income is not taxable and hence he filed an appeal allowing this income to be exempted from section 56 subsection 2. So the ruling talks about three important points. Nature of receipt. So this receipt received by Kapil Dev is a one-time ex gratia payment or a honorarium received from BCCI for his services rendered in the Indian cricket team, not a gift. ITAT ruled out that this amount cannot be treated as a gift which falls as gift or any sum given without consideration exceeding rupees 50,000. So this amount does not fall into the category of gift. Purpose and intent. Since this payment is in recognition to his past professional services, this cannot be treated as a sum which is taxable under income from other sources. So when a statute specifically tells that the particular income is exempt from particular tax, it cannot tax because the assessee has erroneously declared in his return of income. Ultimately, the income should be taxed with respect to provisions of the income tax and it cannot tax merely because of the ignorance of the assessee. So in this case, ignorantly Kapil Dev had declared the entire amount received from BCCI as income chargeable to tax but which is actually exempted as per the provisions of Income Tax Act. Hence, ITAT ruled out the case in favor of Kapil Dev, stating that assessee is exempt from the income whatever he has filed in his return of income under section 56 subsection 2. So if you have any doubts relating to this provision, please post in the comment section. Thank you.